Hi! In front of me is Nokia C32 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. You need to begin by opening Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and click on Files category. Following that, select those three lines at the top left corner and tap on the best source for you. I will go with recent. You can also choose audio and videos filters at the top. Finally, just hold one of your files that you wish to add. I can't find my audio one, so I will go into downloads and try again. It's over here. So when I hold it and tap on select at the top right corner, I can see that my audio file was successfully added. If you are having problems with adding some video files, you can try going to Gallery section instead. Then tap on Folders, tap on Videos filter, sorry misclick, hold your video and tap on Select as well. Then click on Video at the bottom and select Add in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!